Hi, my name is Paul from Local Web Consultants. I've made these videos for the owner of S-Line Cleaning Limited. Just a quick video. I wanted to show to you a way of actually capturing new customers. Now, I noticed that on your website, it's got good layout, got good features, colors are quite good, got testimonials, and so with a website like this, you possibly will be attracting a lot of website visitors. Now, are you aware that 96% of website visitors actually leave a website without taking any form of action? That means for every 100 visitors that you get to your website, 96 of them will not contact you. So, how can you overcome this? Well, the best way of doing that would be to try and capture 100% of all your website visitors. Now, I have software that will allow you to actually track and capture 100% of all your website visitors. And what that means for you as a business is that you'll be able to then reach out and remarket to those website visitors. Even though they've left your website, you'll be able to reach out to them 30 days from now, 60 days from now, and basically put your brand in front of those potential website visitors who could become potential customers of S-Line Cleaning Limited. Now, as I say, I'm offering this particular retracking targeting pixel software to two carpet cleaning companies within the Cheshire area. So it'll be on a first come first come basis. If you're interested in capturing one of these spots and getting one of these, access to this particular software, please reply back to this message, and I'll actually save your spot and send an actual software to you. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.